Welcome back to the Knowledge Economy Success Blueprint, this series of workshops, events, and happenings. I added a new section to the blog entitled Information Products, the main currency of this economy. The first part is understanding information products, and the second part is market research for information products. I'll be adding more sections continuously, so bookmark the blog page right now. Information products serve various purposes, and we use them both as standalone products that form the foundation of a thriving business, but also as tools to test the market. We use other tools to test the market as well, but information products can be developed fast, there are minimal or no expenses at all, and can give us important data that we can act upon immediately. And most importantly, they give us direction so we can differentiate from the competition and eventually innovate. Remember, the number one competitive advantage in this economy is agility and innovation. From now on, I'll be sharing the theory on the blog, and we'll be moving forward with action-oriented short workshops to put theory into practice. Additionally, I have developed a huge information product during the summer, and we'll use it as a reference, a case study. This information product is actually the base for a series of other products and events, so stay tuned for a unique experience. Great, let's move on to today's topic, the impact of USP, unique selling proposition, on the success of information products. It's not enough to develop a high quality and valuable info product. We must craft a unique selling proposition that will set our product apart from other products in a crowded marketplace. Can you solve this multiple choice problem? The topic is the impact of unique selling propositions on information product success, and the question is this. You have developed an online course targeting aspiring entrepreneurs. The market is saturated with similar courses, making it challenging to stand out. To influence buying decisions effectively, you need to position your course strategically. Each option below represents a different approach to positioning your course. Choose the strategy that will most likely lead to long-term success by leveraging your unique selling proposition. Option A. Highlight your course's comprehensive curriculum that covers all essential topics in entrepreneurship while offering personalized mentoring sessions as a unique value add. Emphasize the mentorship aspect in your marketing to attract individuals looking for a guided learning experience. Option B. Position your course as the ultimate solution by emphasizing its practical hands-on approach, including real-world case studies and actionable insights. Market the course as designed by industry experts who provide mentorship throughout the program, making it highly appealing to those who value expertise. Option C. Focus on the exclusive access to successful entrepreneurs and business leaders that your course provides. Emphasize the unique opportunity for personalized mentorship and feedback, which is integrated into the curriculum to ensure participants can apply what they learn immediately. Option D. Differentiate your course by promoting its tailored mentoring sessions and the application of real-world case studies. Position the course as a comprehensive solution for aspiring entrepreneurs, highlighting that the mentorship component is based on years of industry experience. and let me help you by giving you an explanation for each option, what each option does. Option A emphasizes a balance between a comprehensive curriculum and personalized mentoring, appealing to those who value both content and guidance. Option B focuses on the practical application and the expertise of mentors, making it attractive to those who prioritize actionable insights and expert knowledge. Option C highlights exclusive access to industry leaders and personalized feedback, targeting those who seek direct mentorship and real-world application. Option D combines tailored mentorship with real-world case studies, appealing to individuals looking for a practical, experience-based learning approach. Now, each option subtly shifts the emphasis on different aspects of the unique selling proposition, making it challenging to choose the best answer, as all options seem equally strong but cater to slightly different audience priorities. Which option is the best? So why would you answer this question? I added a small incentive to encourage your participation in this mini challenge. So here's what you get. If you answer correctly and justify your answer, you get access to the exclusive workshops that I'll be sharing inside the members area. It's a case study for the information product that I developed for the numismatic industry. You also secure your position to our upcoming live challenge, where I'll be helping a small group of people develop their own information products with step-by-step instructions and tasks. This is a one-on-one experience. And you also get a 1-hour consulting session with me to ask questions about your current business or the business you plan to build. So that's it. Good luck. That's the knowledge economy page on the blog. We have the live challenge coming very soon. I'll be adding theory regarding information products here, so you can study theory right here. And we'll be moving forward with action-oriented workshops, short workshops, where we'll be solving problems like today's problem. And I'll be sharing the answers of those problems inside the members area, the Business Growth Hub. This is a password-protected page, and just sign up with your email address. It's a free members area, and the password will be emailed to you. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.